How many calories should I eat a day? Many people ask, how many calories should I consume daily to stay healthy, lose weight, or gain muscle? The answer is different for everyone because your age, weight, height, activity level, and goals all matter. Knowing your daily calorie needs can help you make better food choices and improve your overall health. 1. What are calories? Calories are the energy your body gets from food and drinks. Your body uses this energy to breathe, move, think, and perform daily activities. Eating the right amount helps you stay healthy and energized. 2. What affects your daily calorie needs? Several factors decide how many calories you need each day. Your age, your gender, your height and weight, your activity level, your health and fitness goals. People who exercise often usually need more calories than those who are less active. 3. Daily calorie guidelines. Here are general daily calorie ranges. Women, 1800 to 2400 calories. Men, 2200 to 3000 calories. Active people may need even more. These numbers are only estimates. Your personal needs may be higher or lower. 4. Calories based on your goal. Choose your calorie intake based on what you want to achieve. Maintain weight. Eat about the same number of calories you burn each day. Lose weight. Eat 300 to 500 fewer calories than you burn while staying active. Gain weight. Eat 250 to 500 extra calories each day and include enough protein. 5. Focus on healthy foods. Calories are important, but food quality matters too. Choose foods like fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, healthy fats, nuts and seeds. Try to limit sugary drinks, fried foods, and highly processed snacks. If you're wondering, how many calories should I eat a day? Remember, there isn't one answer for everyone. Your daily calorie needs depend on your body, lifestyle, and health goals. Start with general guidelines, eat nutritious foods, stay active, and adjust your calorie intake as your needs change. A balanced diet and healthy habits are the best way to reach and maintain your ideal weight while supporting long-term health. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.